pounds in connection with this abduction. The suspect was last heard from in Dallas, Texas. Law enforcement officials believe this child to be in grave or immediate danger. If you have any information regarding this abduction, call the Dallas Police Department 214-671-4268. News media point of contact is Dallas Police Department at 214-671-4065. The Austin NOAA Weather Radio Roundup. 9 p.m. at Austin Bergstrom. It was partly cloudy. The temperature was 85.
Oh my God. Hear that, folks? That was an Amber Alert. And I got it on my weather radio, on my new weather radio. Wow. That was an Amber Alert for Dallas, Texas. And if you see, over here on my WR300, see that little light? That was the Amber Alert.
Rising. Lago Vista clear 84.
Wow. I can't believe that. This one didn't activate. This one did not activate, but...
San Antonio partly cloudy 88.
It did go off on my WR300. I didn't want to have my EH55 running because I didn't want to waste the battery in it.
9. Amarillo clear 75. Abilene clear 91.
I'll let it go through one more time.
Fort Worth cloudy 73. This is a special weather statement. At 9:31 p.m. Central Daylight Time, Doppler radar was tracking a gust flood and cluster of strong thunderstorm over Briggs, or 14 miles northeast of Bertram, moving south at 45 miles per hour. Winds with the gust flood have gusted anywhere between 30 and 50 miles per hour. Half-inch hail and wind gusts up to 50 miles per hour will be possible with this storm. Locations impacted include Austin, Round Rock, Cedar Park, Georgetown, Pflugerville, Taylor, Elgin, Vernon, Marble Falls, Kingsland, Leno, Granger, Bertram, Round Mountain, Saranita, Andersonville, Buchanan Dam, Windermere, Leander, and Hutto. Frequent cloud-to-ground lightning is occurring with this storm. Lightning can strike 10 miles away from a thunderstorm. Seek a safe shelter inside a building or vehicle. Your weather synopsis for South Central Texas. Rain chances will increase on Thursday as high pressure shifts and a boundary moves into our area from the north. Rain chances will decrease by Friday, and based on the current forecast track of the tropical disturbance in the Gulf, South Central Texas would not see any rainfall from the storm. Your local forecast. Rest of tonight, clear early in the evening, then becoming partly cloudy. Chance of showers and thunderstorms before midnight. Slight chance of showers and isolated thunderstorms after midnight. Lows in the mid-70s.
I hope this is not over 10 minutes long, because if it is, I won't be able to post it.
Northwest after midnight. Chance of rain 50%. Thursday, partly cloudy with a 50% chance of showers and thunderstorms. Highs in the lower 90s. Northeast winds 5 to 10 miles per hour. Highest heat index readings around 106.
It'll repeat after the forecast.
Thursday night, partly cloudy. Lows in the mid-70s. North winds 5 to 10 miles per hour. Friday, partly cloudy with a 20% chance of showers and thunderstorms. Highs in the mid-90s. North winds 10 to 15 miles per hour. Friday night, partly cloudy. Lows in the mid-70s. Northeast winds 5 to 10 miles per hour. Saturday through Sunday, partly cloudy. Highs in the mid-90s. Lows in the mid-70s. Sunday night, mostly clear. Lows in the mid-70s. Monday through Tuesday, partly cloudy. Highs in the mid-90s. Lows in the mid-70s. Tuesday night and Wednesday, mostly clear. Lows in the mid-70s. Highs in the upper 90s. The following message is
It's the
transmitted at the
actual
request
print.
of the Texas Division of Emergency Management. This is a child abduction alert issued by the Texas Amber Alert Network. The Dallas Police Department is searching for Cedric Jackson, black, male, 1.5 years old, date of birth January 2nd, 2018, 30 inches, 20 pounds, black hair with braids, brown eyes, last seen wearing a diaper. Police are looking for a black male in his 40s, 5 feet 7 inches, 170 pounds, in connection with this abduction. The suspect was last heard from in Dallas, Texas. Law enforcement officials believe this child to be in grave or immediate danger. If you have any information regarding this abduction, call the Dallas Police Department 214-671-4268. News media point of contact is Dallas Police Department at 214-671-4065. The tropical weather outlook. For the North Atlantic, Caribbean Sea, and the Gulf of Mexico, the National Hurricane Center is issuing advisories on potential tropical cyclone 2, located over the northern Gulf of Mexico.
And also, for this radio over here, forgot to show it, but it says NOAA All Hazards Weather Radio right here. There's your time. Oh, it says 10, okay. It says 10:53, so it's a little bit behind. Because right now it's about 10:05.
10:06 p.m.
Yeah, 10:06, so here, I'll show you the alert here.
Emergent. Manage. Activate. Default.
Okay, I'll show you the emergency. Here you go on my Apple Watch. See? If I can get this thing to focus.
Emergency. Amber Alert. Amber Alert. Dallas. TX check your local media. 20 minutes ago.
Yep,
Swipe up or down to select a custom action.
there
Then
it
double
is.
tap to activate.
Storm activity has gradually been increasing in...
There you have it.